Hey there, fitness friends. Want to bring real hike level calorie burning right into your own room? Introducing the ultimate incline walking pad with a handlebar. Your new go to for burning fat, toning muscle, and boosting endurance without ever leaving your home. This bad boy features 4 powerful incline levels from 6 to 15% that simulate real hill climbs. It activates way more muscles than a flat treadmill, turning your regular walk or light jog into a high intensity, fat torching workout. It's perfect for apartments, small spaces, home offices, or rainy days when you just don't want to go outside. But it's not just effective, it's fun too. Dynamic RGB lighting syncs with your pace, creating a vibrant, motivating atmosphere that makes every session feel like a party. Stay in complete control with dual HD LED displays on both the base and the handrail, so you can track your speed, your distance, your time, calories, incline, all at an easy glance. Choose how you want to control it, with the remote, the console, or the app. Quick buttons for 2, 4, and 6 miles per hour so you can adjust on the fly without stopping. That's nice. And the Smart App integration has a whole bunch of training programs for every skill level. The spacious yet compact 37 by 15 inch running belt has a 7-layer anti-slip surface, 10 silicone cushioning points, and 4 built-in shock absorbers. It delivers smooth, low-impact movement that protects your joints, so it's perfect for beginners, overweight users like me, anyone with sensitive knees, hips, or ankles. And when you're done, it folds down to just 4.72 inches high, so it easily slides under any desk, sofa, or bed. The built-in wheels make it super easy to move around, and it assembles completely in just 5 to 10 minutes. This is truly a 4-in-1 fitness powerhouse. It's a walking pad with a handlebar, an under-the-desk treadmill, a folding treadmill, and an incline trainer all in one. So again, whether you're a beginner, a busy office worker, or a serious home fitness buff, this machine has you covered. So when you're ready to transform your home into your personal fitness studio and then get moving and feel the burn, get yourself this walking pad. Highly recommend it. The smart, fun, and joint-friendly way to fitness.